So today we will see these three products. We will see which one is the best one. So this is from Rust-Oleum, first time I see it. So this is Tonian, it's well known. All of them are the same price, 1.9, 1.9. This is 2BD, it's like 4.5 bucks. So I already tried the Tonian with this headlight. This headlight was sanded and I polished it using this, and this is the best result I can get. It's still a little bit foggy. So I have this, the other lens. It's foggy as well. I already finished sanding it, just to be fair with the Tonian. So we will try this down and we will try this up. As you see, the cover is foggy as well. If you see, you can't see clear. So let's start polishing. The down will be the Rust-Oleum product and up will be the Magic. I will use this pad for both. I just washed it, so let me try it. Let's see. So we'll distribute the liquid first. So we will try the Magic now. Okay, it's light blue. I think that's enough. So let me Well, both of them are still hazy, but the Magic did a better job, to be honest, than the Rust-Oleum. Yeah, the Magic one did a better job. So what I'll do is I push it from inside just to be more fair. So the upper one was done with the Magic, so I'll polish it with the Magic as well. Yeah, the headlight feel less hazy after I did the inside as well. So let me do the Rust-Oleum down. Conclusion, I think that the Magic did slightly better than the Rust-Oleum and the Tonian, as I feel that the upper part of the light is more clear than the lower part, and it's even more clear than this headlight that was done by the Tonian, and it was done by in the same way. So this is the conclusion.